seriously, what do you do when it is already 2 o'clock? You know you need to make dinner and you totally forgot everything. Well, let me show you the product that we have that we absolutely love. Let me show you how we use it. We, aka me, I use it that way. So here I am, looked at my fridge, I had nothing. So I looked at my freezer and I had some frozen pork chops. I went on to ChatGPT and I said, hey buddy, I have an Our Place product and I have frozen pork chops. What can I do in 3 hours? And it gave me 3 different recipes that I can do. I happen to have everything in my cabinet and it tells you exactly how to do it. So I'm just gonna show you real quick because this is how a busy mom, a busy grandma takes care of things when there's chaos going on. I don't know if you could hear the laundry. I've got laundry in the back. Go ahead and just open the lid. Can you even see this? I don't know. It said go ahead and pour in chicken broth. Well, I didn't have any, so I'm just gonna do water with a chicken base here. This is my favorite, all-time favorite. I'll link it down below. It just comes as a paste. It has absolutely great seasoning and stuff in there. And then it says, go ahead and put in your pork chops, frozen. Oh my Lanta, it's gonna be the easiest. Okay, so I broke them up. It actually told me, ChatGPT said, you know what? It doesn't even matter if it overlaps. I love that it gave me that detail. So I can put in these pork chops, layer it right on top. Okay, we'll wash my hands later. We'll just wipe them on this towel for now. Okay, then it says go ahead and put your garlic, your thyme, your pepper, and just sprinkle it all on top. So we're just gonna sprinkle the heck. I'm not a real measurer, so it's fine. This does all the work for you. So you just sprinkle. I love seasoning. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, let's do the thyme. Not even gonna worry about the little cappy thing on the top. We're just gonna pour that bad boy in. And then what else? Pepper. It said put in pepper. So we're just gonna do that. And then you're gonna put on the mushrooms and we're just going to cover it for 2 hours. Now these are the thin pork chops. So I actually told ChatGPT that here's my mushrooms, that it was the thin, and so they adjusted the recipe for me. I'm not measuring these either. It said about 2 cups. I don't think I have 2 cups, so I'm just gonna put in what I have. We are going to put this lid on. And I don't know if you have ever seen this product, but it's amazing. Now right up here at the top, there's an unlock and lock. We're going to lock it into place. And then this nice feature here. Oh, you gotta plug it in. Hold on. Okay. Now, do you see it glowing now? Okay, so once you turn it on, if we were gonna sear the pork chops, I don't have time for that because they're frozen. So all I'm gonna do is slow cook. Let me see, slow cook, here we go. And it says, girls, I need my glasses because it's so sunny in here, I can't see what it says. Slow cook, low, medium, high. We're gonna high, and then we say how long. So we're gonna go for 2 hours with the start button. Set it, it clicked, it's on. I'll check back with you in a little bit. Okay, so I am so busy that I didn't even look at my time, and ChatGPT did tell me that at 15 minutes to put some cream cheese and the creamer in, and I forgot. So we're gonna do it at the 5-minute mark, and I bet it's still gonna turn out. Ooh, locked into place. All right, we're gonna let it go into action. Did I even tell you that when it's done, it goes on a warming mode, which I absolutely love as well? We'll be back to see how it looks. As I said before, see how it goes to the warming mode and it just stays all nice and pretty until you unlock the lid, raise it up, and there is your yummy-licious pot. Now, of course, you can sear in this thing. This is an insta-cook type thing. We did it on the slow cooker. But if you are in need of a great meal amazement, this is what I would choose.